Welcome all of you in this channel. In this video we will going to see how we can create a drop down list with based on 4 arguments. For example, here we can see table class 9, class 10th, class 11th and class 12th. We have student names according to that, and we want to make here drop down list according to the classes. If I select from here 9th class, then down it should be 9th class. You can see here the data is same. If I choose from here class 10th, the list will change according to the class, and so on. So let's see how can we create this kind of drop down list in this video. First of all, click here and go to data validation, list, select this, make formatting of this, select this, press Ctrl T to make table, Control press T to make table. My table has headers. From here, do some formatting, change the table style. Now we have to write a formula here. Now select the table, press Ctrl Shift F3, remove this and keep this top row. We have to define ranges. Formula range has defined here, class 10th, class 12th and class 9th. Select the table design, make table only, no problem. Write anywhere, equal to, if this one equal to class 9th, then class 9th. Copy, again paste. If this equal to class 10th, then class 10th. Paste again. If this equal to class 11th, this one equal to class 11th. Paste. Equal to class 12th. This one equal to class 12th. Okay. Select this, copy, go to here, go to data validation, list, paste here. Remove this one. Now you can select, here is class 9th, and if you click here, the class 9th list has come up. Let's change class 10th, class 10th, class 11th, here is class 11th, and class 12th, here is student name according to class 12th. Friends, this is the way we can make drop down list according to based on 4 arguments. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learn something from that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.